Welcome to this video tutorial on how to obtain a Bruin Grad Pass. First, you will need to log in to the Bruin Tap for Transit online system by signing in with your UCLA login ID. Once you're in the system, please read the important instructions on how to get your pass and the required survey you will need to take before obtaining your pass. Then click on Continue to proceed to the next page. If you haven't already, please click on the link to take the Metro survey. After taking the survey, you'll be able to select the Bruin Grad Pass. Choose your method of delivery and click on Continue to review your order, which will have no cost associated with it. Click on Submit Order to view your receipt, and you'll receive an email with your confirmation number. Included in your Bruin Grad Pass is unlimited access to Metro bus and rail lines, Santa Monica Big Blue Bus, and Culver City Bus. You also have access to any of the 4 long-distance commuter lines serving campus. A final confirmation email will be sent within 2 business days once your pass is ready to be picked up or mailed. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please email us at transportation@ts.ucla.edu.